To make any text in your rich text modules into a hyperlink, click the pencil-shaped edit button beside the module. If you have yet to create a rich text module, see our rich text tutorial. Next, highlight the text you wish to link to a document. Now, click on the paperclip icon in the toolbar at the top of the module. Now select the Upload File option. Now either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the file you wish to upload. Then click Upload at the bottom of the window. Adjust the color of these links by accessing the module style settings. Click the gear icon to the right of the module, and in the window to the left, you will now be able to change the color of your linked text. You can even change its hover color and toggle and underline.